जय जलाराम, जय रघुवंश। कौन कहता है कि आसमान में छेद नहीं होता? जरा तबीयत से हवा में पत्थर तो उछालो यारो। दिस इज व्हाट द रिजल्ट दैट वी सी एट लोहाना Business Forum, and the successful results that we see is the entire effort that has been made by all the directors, the vision of our president and our director. I would like to share one single story. It says that when the Disneyland was being formed, Walt Disney was not there. He has already passed away. His brother was sitting there. Somebody commented that if he would have been over here, he would have seen such a lovely things that we have made. But his brother told, Disney has seen, that's why we are seeing it. He has already had this vision. So Satish Bhai, Vijay Bhai, and the entire team of directors has seen that vision. That's why we are having this successful conference over here. So many things has been told, so many things has been discussed. But after going way back to home, if we could keep all these things alive, that would be the success of this LIBF. We exchange our cards, we have a lot of discussions, we promise that we will stay in touch, and again we come here in LIBF and we meet each other. So we wish that this tempo stay connected with all of us. I run a university of 7,000 students. My book that I launched last year, Let's Live Before We Live, the motivational stories, 50,000 youth that I am connected with him, especially for startups and innovations. We give students an overall grant of 1 crore rupees where we accept all the ideas of startup and innovations. This is how we are working day in and day out. I go for corporates too, for the seminars, for the sessions. One thing that I would like to tell to all the youngsters of Lohana community, that the time is ours, the nation with an youngest country of the world. What we need to do is that at least the decision of our life should be taken by us. When the students come to me for the admissions, I only tell the files of your documents should not be carried by your parents. Then only you will become engineer, then only you will become doctor. You have to search. And I also tell to the parents that allow them to be hungry for 2 or 3 days, but after a week they will find a roti by their own self. This is what the success is all about. Allow them to do that by their own. And I wish that we had very nice discussions over here about AI, about all those things, but we need to teach our youngsters that AI is just an useful servant, but not a dangerous master. Finally, I end up my word to congratulate Satish Bhai and the entire team of directors of LIBF, to the all authorities of Dubai, the Sheikh, His Highness bin Rashid Al Maktoum, and the entire team of Dubai authorities, those who gave such a nice hospitality over here. Last, to all of us, I would like to just say कि तारों की बारात आपके इंतजार में होगी, हर सुबह एक नई इंतजार में होगी. मुसाफिर तुम भी हो, मुसाफिर मैं भी हूं, किसी ना किसी मोड़ पर मुलाकात जरूर होगी. Thank you very much to all of you. Thank you very much to LIBF, and thank you very much for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you very much. Shukran.